But first up, news from the Aam Aadmi Party. Its leader Somnath Bharti, who is embroiled in a domestic violence case filed by his wife, Lipika Mitra, presented himself at the Dwarka police station late at night. Now, this after the Delhi High Court granted him protection from the arrest till the 17th of September. The relief came after Somnath's lawyer argued in court that it's a case of matrimonial dispute and that Somnath is willing to resolve all issues with his wife. Meanwhile, India Today's Ankit Tyagi did get a chance to speak to the controversial Aam Aadmi Party leader. Let's just listen in.
Aam Aadmi Party MLA and former Law Minister of Delhi, Somnath Bharti, is back in the national capital. In fact, if I may say so, that he is now traceable. Mr. Bharti is going to present himself before the police. He's joining the investigation along with his dog. This is Dawn, who is sitting behind us. And this is the dog also wanted along with Mr. Bharti. Mr. Bharti, why were you hiding?
I was not hiding at all. As a part of strategy. Because when you look that police has positioned itself as an enemy, not as a law enforcement agency, then you have to have a strategy in place. Look at this, that because of Arnesh Kumar judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, 498A and 406 does not entitle you to arrest somebody, the accused. And that is why this
307 also on you.
That is why they slapped 307, because
that's on the complaint of your wife. She said that you tried to strangle her. You let Dawn on her when she was pregnant. You tried to harm her using your dog.
But see, the contents of the complaint, I've been a lawyer myself. So those contents does not give you. What was the intention? What was the intention for me to kill her? There was some intention. If I'm continuously saying that I love her, she loves me, there have been exchange of SMSs, talks, voice recordings, the contents of the FIR does not make available ingredients of the offences of 307, 313.
But Mr. Bharti, even if...
So 1 second, let me. So, 307 and 313 were slapped against me only to give immense power in the hands of the police official to arrest me. Immediately.
But on the complaint made by your wife, she's the one who's saying that you tried to kill her. It's not the policemen those who are saying that.
No, I tried to kill her, but then there have been many complaints. You can file a complaint tomorrow against anybody.
It's not anybody. It's your wife.
Saying that.
It's the mother of your children who is saying that Somnath Bharti, my husband, the father of my children, tried to kill me. It's a serious charge.
Did somebody investigate? Then why did she...
For that investigation, you will also have to be there, right?
After that, why did she live with me? Because there have been 3 sessions, each of 2 hours. In those 3 sessions, DCP, ACP and the IO of the case, they were all available. So they understood that even after those incidents, every other incident, she has lived with me. And she has been very cordial to me. She has been calling me...
If it was so cordial, what was the motive of your wife pressing such serious charges against you?
No, I don't know. That she has to answer. But what I understand, because if you look at the sequence of the events which took place in the last few days, 9th of September an FIR, which carries 307, even though there is no ingredient available 307. Today, Honorable High Court gave me 2 days relief. Had that been serious, I would not have got any relief. Then, 10th, 164 statement of my wife in the court. 10th itself, at 10:30 night, I get a notice under 160 to make myself available, present tomorrow before the IO at 10:30 morning. Sequence of these events gives you enough understanding of being a lawyer. When police officials told me, sir, don't go there, they'll arrest you.
The general perception is that Mr. Bharti ran away because he's guilty.
Let them be. Then why did I file anticipatory bail? Then what is the meaning of anticipatory bail? Anticipatory bail basically means, because earlier when I had filed anticipatory bail, I was told by the Honorable Judge that because there is no FIR in place, so it is immature for you to come before the court. Now FIR was in place, that's why I want to go to anticipatory bail.
You are taking
in spite of anticipatory bail, police did what not. They went to every place, raided my office. There were officials from Ministry of Home Affairs. The most surprising and shocking thing, what was official from Ministry of Home Affairs was doing in my office.
You are making serious charges. You are saying that center is behind this, Mr. Bharti. Do you have evidence to back this?
I have a CCTV camera recording.
How do you know they were Ministry of Home Affairs?
He admitted to my people. He admitted to my people.
So you are saying that it is being done on the behest of the center?
What do you think?
You're trying to make it political. Your wife puts questions, she puts allegations against you, and the centre gets involved.
No. That is why the case is expedited like anything. I wish my people who live in Delhi, they would meet such a expeditious investigation. I wish, can Delhi police give any other case where they proceeded with such speed?
You are
In
taking...
the evening, I had a word with the DCP while coming back.
What is his name?
Mr. Rajesh Dev.
Yeah.
He says, when I asked, sir, I have to come join an investigation because you have issued NVW, you have been searching for me. You have sent people Agra and Timbuktu and where not, Haryana. Many officials have gone there to search for me. I'm here, I want to join an investigation. Can I join? He says, see, look, there is no direction from the court to join an investigation. So if there is a status quo, there is no need to join an investigation. I fail to understand. Is it a mockery?
You're taking your dog along. What is the police expected to do with the dog?
See, I read in the newspaper and I was told by my lawyer as well that the prosecutor and the police, they gave an argument in the court that they have to recover the dog. So I'm carrying the dog with me so that this dog can be handed over to the police.
Earlier today your wife said, because in the court you said that you still want to reconcile with your wife, you still want things to work out. Your wife said, if I am sent for reconciliation with Somnath Bharti, I'll end up dead.
So that's her observation. She does not...
Mr. Bharti, it's a serious observation. She's your wife, she lived with you. She's saying that he may kill me if I'm sent back to him.
See, I don't want to, because I have not so far insulted my wife. I would never ever say a single thing.
Do you have any evidence to back what you're saying?
Of course. I mean, you have to have evidence that I have insulted her. You cannot have evidence that you have not insulted somebody. All right? Evidence has to be brought that I have insulted her. So far, I have been insulted by my wife. My insult has not been her insult. But her insult is my insult still. So I will not say a word against her. But if situation would demand, then something different would happen. But what I understand, my wife, I need to tell her that, look, there are two kids involved. One is 4, one is 2. Their future is involved. Our future is done. Whatever I had to do in life, I have almost done. Now I have to work as a politician to serve the country.
Have you been able to speak to your wife and your children after this incident?
See, the problem is that any attempt to speak to my wife is going to be construed against me. Okay? I don't understand. There is a police protection, there is this protection, there are people around, there are Barkha Singh ji is around to protect her. Who is working? At what is the vested interest? I don't understand this.
Very quickly before I end this, I want to ask you, your party said that you should surrender. They said that it's a personal matter, we don't want to get involved in this. Are you getting support from your party?
No, party support, because this is my family matter. My family matter has to be dealt by me. Why would be party dragged into this?
Do you think you have embarrassed the Aam Aadmi Party? There has been, you can't deny the fact that with the way this entire episode has gone through, people are asking questions of your party too.
Now people have understood. Today's headlines in the newspapers was that Mr. Bharti's dog is required for investigation. Everybody laughed at it. The case has been turned into a mockery now.
Why Somnath Bharti being perceived as somebody who is against women? That Khidki extension case also, that was the impression that went out, and then your own wife.
This is what the whole agenda. Agenda is to paint me as anti-woman.
So everybody has an agenda, including your wife, against you.
No, wife got used into it. Everybody's wife. Believe you me, if some other politician's wife becomes this, poses this situation, what not would come out of the skeleton? A skeleton of the cupboard.
Were you in Agra?
The kind of secrets wives possess. In fact, I have passed the test. Scrutiny by the wife.
Were you in Agra, Mr. Bharti?
No.
In Agra?
Why should I reveal to you where was I?
Okay, my last question to you. Do you think this is going to affect your political career?
See, my people know. Media, politicians tried their level best to make me accused in Khidki extension case. What happened? I got 95% votes from the area. My people know my intention.
You're not worried about that?
My people know me.
Have you spoken to the Chief Minister?
Why should I tell you all this?
Has he spoken to you?
Why should I tell you all this?
All right. Somnath Bharti on his way to Dwarka police station, where he is going to present himself before the investigating agency. Of course, with his dog here and saying that he has a lot more proof to say that he is innocent. His wife is being misled, and he is going to present the proof in front of the police and in front of the media tomorrow. Ankit Tyagi, in New Delhi, India Today.
All right, Somnath Bharti there, finally emerging from hiding after he got that very important relief in the domestic violence case that has been slapped against him by his own wife after the Delhi High Court stayed his arrest up till Thursday.